Hello everyone and welcome to another video. If you're new here, hello, my name is Andrea and you're more than welcome to stick around and check out some other videos. Okay, so for today's video I have another Punk Rave unboxing, and this time I have two items. One is for me and one is for you. So stick around until the end of the video so you know how you can participate in this giveaway. In here I have a jacket and a pair of leggings. Before I open the package up, I just need to mention that I did not buy these items. These were sent to me by Punk Rave Australia, but that does not affect my opinion and the way I talk about these items. It has nothing to do with that. I haven't talked about this at all on my channel or on social media just because it is stuff that happens behind the scenes somehow, but I never accept collaborations and sponsorships from brands that I don't personally love and I don't believe in. I have tons of emails from shady brands coming towards me, and it would be so easy for me to say yes and to present the product to you, but I don't do that because me as a consumer, I would not want to be misled by someone I look up to or admire or whatever. So I don't do that because I know that this is a trust relationship that's going on here, and yeah, I would never want to lose that. So yeah, I just wanted to take that off my chest because I've been feeling quite guilty lately with everything that has been going on in the community. So yeah, there's that. So without further ado, let's see what we have in here. Okay. So as you probably already know, every Punk Rave item comes in this air-sealed bag. It looks like that. It's really nice. I really appreciate packaging. Okay. I will just take a minute to examine everything because, wow. Okay, you cannot see it, so I might as well just show it to you. What I chose is this wonderful velvet jacket. As you can see, it has a lot of detailing and it's absolutely beautiful. It's really heavy and you can actually feel the quality in the fabric. Oh my god. As I mentioned, it's velvet and I took it out of the bag for like, I don't know, 2 minutes now, and it's already covered in my cat's hair, so please forgive me. So it looks like this, the scissor-tail jacket, and as you can see, it has red lining on the inside, and this is the back. I love this detailing here. Oh, okay, so they also give you an extra button in case you might lose it. Oh, it has, I don't know if you can see it actually. It has a skull over here, and this is the tag, looking pretty nice. I love the little buttons here. I will... Okay, so I was just trying to open up the buttons, but if you have longer nails like I do, it's a bit of a struggle getting it through the loop. I don't believe that to be an issue. I guess you just need to get the hang of it. The buttons are really nice. It has, I don't know what type of flower it is, but it features little metal flowers and it's really nice. Okay, I will just open it up all the way so we can see the inside of the garment. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the inside, and it looks really elegant. It's really smooth and wonderful. You also have the washing instructions here. Probably I will end up cutting that off. And yes, by the way, I got this in a size F S. I looked at the measurement chart, which is available for each and every item on their website. So according to that and my measurements, my size was an FS. I'm gonna try it on as always later and see what it looks like on the body. So let's move on to the sleeves. It has a bit of a poof over here on the shoulder area, and it goes all the way down and it ends up in a bell type of sleeve with detailing as well, and absolutely wonderful. I am actually absolutely in love with it. I cannot wait to put it on and see what it looks like. And moving on to the next item that is actually for you and will be part of the giveaway. So, and in here we have this pair of leggings. These are actually winter leggings and they have this type of really warm material on the inside, so you feel warm wearing them during winter. I'm gonna try and show you and hope that this actually shows up on camera because the lacing on the leg is absolutely wonderful. It has a lot of detailing and the fabric looks like it may be leather-like, but it is actually not. As for the stretchiness, they are very stretchy. Regarding the size, they are in a size M, and I will be leaving the measurement chart here, so feel free to pause the video and check up and see if they will fit you. Keep in mind that these are Asian sizes, so they are not 100% lined up with their European or American size counterpart. So just measure yourself and then check your measurements up with the size chart. And yeah, so let's jump to me trying on the jacket so you can see it up close, and then I will let you know how you can participate in the giveaway. So wow, I am really impressed with the jacket. It's absolutely wonderful. I cannot wait to wear it outside. It's so wonderful. A huge thank you to Rave Australia for sending me this beautiful item. And yeah, I'm really excited. I love it, and yeah. So as promised, all you have to do in order to win this pair of leggings in a size M, remember that, and this A4 print, and I will be personally sending both items to you. So all you have to do in order to participate in the giveaway is be subscribed to me and Rave Australia's YouTube channel. I will link it down below and at the end of this video, and just leave a comment below what is the one clothing item that you adore. I will be announcing the winner on April 13th here in the comment section, so keep an eye on for that. So yeah, that's about it. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and good luck in the giveaway. Thanks for watching everyone. See you all in my next video. Bye.